I know I can't be the only one that has cats that are dissatisfied with staying in one room. I also can't be the only one that has situations in which you want to keep your door closed. For example, in our bedroom at night, we want to keep our dog in our room, but our cats want to be able to come and go as they please. So I was at wit's end looking at maybe a pet door or something for the cats, but I didn't want to cut into my door. And I found something that is fantastic. So it's the TGIOW cat door latch. It's 2 pieces. It retails for $8.99 and it is eligible for Prime shipping. So it comes in a package like this. There are 2 pieces that come with it. Basically, it is really simple the way that it works. It is adjustable. So this little notch unscrews and you're able to adjust how wide you want your door to stay open. So if I put this all the way out here, you're gonna have a larger gap into your door because this goes through the handle and it's gonna wrap around, and that's gonna be how far your door is open. If the little notch is in further, it closes the door further because this little notch is gonna rest right in your door latch. So I'm gonna show you how this works. So it is this simple. You simply feed it over the door, you bend it over, and it rests right into the latch here. And this is the gap of your door. So again, if you want to make it wider, you just move this peg down a few spots and it would be open wider. Otherwise it holds like this. This is the perfect space for my cats to get through, but my dogs not to get through. So that's what works perfect.
It keeps the door open just enough for your cats can get in, but nothing else like your dogs or anybody else. The problem is that when you put these things on here, onto the door handle, it falls off every time you take it off. Drove me crazy. I bet it drove you crazy too. So best fix for that, put a rubber band on it. Tie it around 3 times right towards the end. And you slip it on. And then you close the door as you usually would, right? And then when you go open it, it stays. It doesn't fall off. And you see the rubber band can't go that way, and most likely it won't go that way because it's wider. Genius, huh? Well, I figure I'll let you guys know that it was me who did it, Angela. And you'll see my accounts at X and Truth Social where I put this on, just in case they think it was their idea. Have a good day. MAGA.
There's Cheddar. He's 12 years old. He's never had a family, but now he has a good one. So this is my office. He's got his little cat condo. I just put this on the back of the door, and then you can adjust it to have it be as big as small as you want. I got the large or the extra large one because I had my other cat's a Maine Coon, so she's bigger. And then boom, just like that. So the cats can come in and go as they please, but the dogs can't get in and get to the cat food or the litter box, the spare litter box. So I think Cheddar approves. What you think, buddy? He says, good purchase, Mom, good purchase.
So we ordered these little door lock thingies. So my dog, this little guy, he kept going through the cat door because he's little. So we got this because you can change the how wide you want to open the door. And so it's really easy. You just slip it right over the doorknob there. And then you tuck it into the little latch catch. And check that out. So the doggo just got groomed, so we're probably going to have to put this on the last hole because I think he might still be able to squeeze through here. But the cats have their own bedroom, and he loves to get into their room and eat their food. Oops. Hold on. There we go. That's what it looks like from that side. So anyway, that's how that works.
It's not opening, so that's the biggest crack size. And cats definitely fit through that. And he did not.
Hershey, no scratching. Hershey, no. Hershey, stop. What's the matter?
That pops right into this hole. And it's the best. So inexpensive too. I love it.
Net, and it just rests in there. And then you just like unhook it.